Hello everyone, this is the third video of active and passive. Dear students, last time we were doing interrogative sentence, okay? So from that point only, we are just moving ahead, okay? And in previous video, I said that when any WH word is there in active voice, same word comes down in passive voice too, okay? It's true also, but we do something different, okay? And let's see what I really want to say with you all, okay dear students. Okay, the question is, when does he kick the ball? Okay, when does he kick the ball? This is students what, this is active voice, okay? And we have to convert it into passive voice, okay? So same WH word will come down, okay? When is there in active, then in passive too when will be there, okay? No problem is there, okay? Then next is what, helping verb, then passive voice too helping verb will come, okay? In active voice does has come according to this subject, okay? And in passive voice helping verb will come according to its here is what, subject, okay? Sorry students, this is subject, okay? Means does has come according to this subject, and in passive too helping verb will come according to its subject, okay? And its subject will be what, the ball, okay? Object will become subject in passive voice, so subject just down we will write down what, subject, okay? So the ball we will write down, and the ball is what kind of subject, it is singular subject, okay? Singular subject. And singular subject, I told you in previous video that when means do or does is there, do or does is there, we admit it as what, means as V1. And V1 refers at which place in chart, in active passive chart, it refers means in place of B, then verb third form, okay? Where B means what, B means is, am and are, okay? So the ball is what, is will be there when is the ball kicked by him, okay? Means interrogation sign will be there, he will become what, object, and object will become what, subject in passive voice. And by this object word by is added before this, okay? Word by is added. I hope that you have understood this by here, okay? And next interrogative word is what, who, okay? Dear students, whenever your active will start from WH word who, okay, then while converting it into passive voice you will turn it into by whom, okay? Beforehand I have just written it here, okay? For example, who stole your pen, okay? Who stole your pen? By whom? Your pen. By whom was, it will be there, okay? Because this is V2, and V2 will refer towards what, was and were, okay? By whom was your pen stolen, okay? So structure is what, structure is what, whenever your active will start from who word, okay, then you will convert it into the passive voice, okay? See the structure, firstly you will write down by who, okay? Then means you will write down what, helping verb, okay? HV stands for what, helping verb. Then means you will write down what, object of that active voice, okay? Object of that active voice. Then you will write down what, verb third form. Got it? You have understood this structure or not? Tell me very honestly, you have understood this structure or not? And you will find that in the same, means according to the same structure, okay, this statement has been framed, okay? So take another example. who who broke the windows. Okay, so we will write on what? By whom? This is what broke, v2 is there, or who has broken the windows. We can write down in this way also, who has broken, broken, who has broken the windows. Okay, by whom have the windows been broken. Okay, dear students, have plus v3 is there. Okay, has have v3 is there, means it is perfect. Means if v3 will be there, see here, if v3 will be there, then in passive voice you will just notice this, been plus verb third form is there, been plus verb third form is there. Okay, just getting this thing or not? That's why here been plus third form is there. Okay, now we will do what? We will do imperative sentence. Okay, what is there in imperative sentence? Dear students, in imperative means what? RO. Okay, you will understand what A stands for. What A means advice, R means what? Request, O stands for order. Okay, and second thing is what, student? Second means it states what? Imperative sentence states what? Imperative sentence states advice, request and order. Okay, this is the definition of imperative sentence. And second thing is what? In this sentence, in imperative sentence, subject you is hidden, okay, or latent. Getting this point or not? Okay, so just I am writing the example. Post the letter. Post the letter. Here, to whom it is said that post the letter. Someone is definitely before me, or someone definitely will be before you. Only then you will say just to post the letter. Okay, but to whom you are ordering or saying, okay, or requesting or advising or order, means anything is there. Okay, there is a post the letter is what? Order. Post the letter, but subject you is not being written here in the beginning. Why? Because subject you is always latent or hidden in imperative sentence. Got it by here or not? Okay, okay, so post the letter. Whenever your students, dear students, whenever statement will be there in this way, okay, your statement will start either from verb first form, okay, or from do not, okay, don't, or from never, okay, or from please, 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 or from kindly. Okay, means if it is starting from any one word out of these, okay, it will be considered what? Imperative sentence. Okay, I hope that you all are getting my point. Okay, so question is what? Post the letter. Okay, then here I am writing, students, we have, this is active voice, this is what? Active voice, and we have to convert this statement post the letter into passive voice. Okay, so we will do what? Let the letter, let the letter be posted. Okay, let the letter be posted. Okay, okay, let the letter be posted, and structure will be what? Right, I'm just writing the structure. Okay, firstly we will write down what? Let, then we will write down what? Means object of active voice. Let the letter is there, then object, then we will write down what? Be, and then we will write down what? Verb third form. Okay, this is the structure of what? Of passive voice. Okay, of passive voice. Got this? Means you have understood by here or not? Okay, okay, so I am just speaking some another words. Okay, dear students, so for example, what is this is what post the letter, and this one thing is what, don't waste your time, don't waste your time. Okay, and this time it has started from what, don't. Okay, means do not, getting this thing or not, do not waste your time. Okay, dear students, we can convert it into two ways. Okay, one way is A and second way is B. Okay, firstly we will do what, let your time, let your time not be wasted. Okay, this time the statement is in negative, that's why we have started it from means let, but we have mentioned here not. Okay, if active is negative, then passive will also remain in negative. Okay, I hope that you have understood. Or second way is what, don't waste your time, means what, it is advice. Okay, means in not any no person should waste his and her time. Okay, so don't waste your time, it is right. So what we can write down, you are, okay, advised not to waste your time, not to waste your time. Okay, this way. Okay, we can do this. Okay, next is what, bring a glass of water, bring a glass of water. This is what, this is means bring a glass of water is what, means this is what, means you can say bring a glass of water, this is a request. Okay, means sorry to say, bring a glass I am writing here what, kindly, kindly, kindly bring a glass of water. Okay, so and then you will say this, sir, this is the means request. Okay, so we can do this in two ways also. Okay, one way is what, let means a glass, kindly you will remove it. Okay, while changing it into passive, you will kindly, please, you will remove it. Okay, let a glass of water, let a glass of water be brought, BROUGST. Getting this thing or not, let a glass of water be brought. This way you can do. And the second way is what, you are requested, REQUESTED, you are requested to bring, okay, a glass of water, a glass of water. Okay, means if your sentence start from kindly, your sentence started from means please, in this way you can do this. Getting my point or not? Okay, and this is what means I just, dear students, say see here, I started from when. Okay, this is one thing. Then I taught you what, who, and third thing I taught you what, imperative, and fourth thing. Okay, fourth I think video is going longer. Okay, but I am just writing it here, it will take only 1 minute. Okay, suppose it is time to close, it is time to close the office, OFFICE. Dear students, whenever your structure will be there in this way, it is time. Okay, then you will do what, while it is active voice, and you have to convert it into passive voice. Okay, you will do same thing will remain, means here, see here, it is time, and in place of to, for will be there, it is time for office, OFFICE, office to be closed. Okay, it is time for the office to be closed. And second thing is what, there is a lot of, see, write down here, there is a lot of work, lot of work to complete. Okay, dear students, and you will this is what, this is active voice, and you have to convert it into what, passive voice. There is a lot of, means see here, there is a lot of work is there. Okay, a lot of work to be completed. completed, comple, to complete. Yes, v1 is there, to complete. Now getting this thing or not? Okay, so dear students, this will be very much helpful. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Okay, thank you.